Welcome to another house tour. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Country Villa located at Antipolo City. But before we enter the house, right here, as you can see, you have enough space for your four-wheel vehicle. Then, as we enter the house, you will be greeted first by this beautiful stone cladding na nagbibigay ng magandang accent sa front door. Tara, pasok tayo sa loob. Pagpasok mo sa bahay, open na agad ang sala to your dining and kitchen area. Dito sa baba, you have one toilet and bath. Now, let's go sa service area. This part, you can convert this one as dirty kitchen, or if you're planning for a future expansion, you can do it here. Ang maganda pa sa Country Villa, meron silang one bedroom dito sa baba, which is perfect kung may kasama kayong elderly sa bahay. What I like about this area, everything feels connected. At the same time, it has enough separation to make each area feels intentional. Tara sa taas. Dito sa second floor, we have one common toilet and bath right here. Now, let's enter the first bedroom. This one, you can use this as your kids' room or guest room. Punta naman tayo sa second bedroom. Yung ang ganda, they have 3-layer awning window. Plus, you have huge corner window na nagbibigay ng natural light. Maganda to for home office. Now, let's move on to the last bedroom, which is the master's bedroom. Now, you can have here your queen or king-size bed. At alam nyo, ang maganda pa sa master's bedroom, meron kayong sariling toilet and bath. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Always remember, hindi lahat ng bahay kailangan ipilit. Minsan, mararamdaman mo na lang. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.